In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on Axiom Pro, from selecting a token to placing your first buy and sell order. Now, if you don't have an Axiom Pro account, don't worry, we have already created a separate step-by-step tutorial covering the entire account creation process, and we highly recommend watching that video first so you'll have everything set up before following with this guide. It will make this tutorial much easier to understand. Now, with that out of the way, let's jump right into Axiom Pro and learn how to place your first trade. After logging into Axiom Pro, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is where you will discover trending tokens, monitor market activity, and access the trading interface. Before placing any trades, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the layout and the tools available. Now search for the token you want to trade using the search bar, or you can also go to the polls and then select the token that you wanted to trade. For example, we have Combo. Double click on it, and before buying, it's always a good idea to review important information such as the token's current price, market capitalization, trading volume, liquidity, recent price movement, any community activity. Doing a little research beforehand can help you make more informed trading decisions. Once you've selected your token, locate the buy panel, enter the amount of SOL you'd like to spend, the number of tokens you want to purchase. I need you to review the transaction details carefully, including any network or platform fees. When everything looks correct, click the buy and confirm the transaction using your connected wallet. Within a few moments, your purchased tokens should appear in your portfolio. After your purchase is complete, you can monitor your position directly inside Axiom Pro. This helps you decide whether to continue holding or take profits. Once completed, the proceeds will be returned to your wallet balance. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you trade on Axiom Pro. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you'll be able to explore additional trading features and develop your own strategy. Remember that cryptocurrency trading involves risks, so never invest more than you're willing to lose, and always do your own research before buying any token. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.